Everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamminw with Yarn. This is day 3 and 4 on that Avid calendar of Christy Cooks. So on day 3 we were to put a label on the front, or wherever you wanted to put it, I guess. And so I did that, but I didn't put a title on it yet. I'm waiting to see what I think about it. Where is this actually going with this? What is it going to turn into for me? So I just put that label on there and did that little there. And then I messed up one of my greeting cards that I was going to send out, and I put that right there. So far it's a Christmas theme. And then today there was her package number 4 came with a lot of little slips of colorful paper and some twine. It was much better until I messed with it. And then a couple of buttons and these cute little I don't know what you call them, cute little things here. That one is a Christmas tree, and another one is a snowflake, which I think I just dropped. So that was number 4, day 4. So what I did for day 4, I'm not finished. I got off work a few minutes ago. I worked a 12-hour shift, and I'm really sleepy, tired. So I only did a little bit, but I did this one here. Oh, and I changed. I think I don't know. I didn't like my first cover that I made. So actually I think I might have. Okay, maybe that's the one I covered up. I don't know. If you hear any noise, my neighbors, as late as it is, okay? Little kids running around. So this was my first one. That was going to be my front page, but you remember this, and then there was one there, and I really didn't like it, so I put this here, and I put that with the snowflake. And so what I did do also today, day 4 of the Advent calendar, is this one here. Yeah, it looks a little empty there. These 2 papers, and I had this waspy tape that I put on it. And so that is day 4, just decorating the way you want it to be. And then day 5 is going to be a new project, which sounds great to me. So I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. Oh, almost forgot the socks. I'm out of here. No. Okay, let's do day 4 in here. The 12 days. Where's 4? 4 is just the polka dots. Let's do that one. Let's see what it looked like. I think if everything in here is going to be red, okay? Not that it's bad. Okay, these are very little, like, booties. Not that stretchy. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So that is number 4, day 4. So as I was saying, I will see you guys tomorrow, and I will try to get more done on the journal and what the new project is, and then whatever else I can bring. I just enjoy showing this to you guys. I have been out of the loop for a good while, since February, I think, really, like really on a consistent basis. It's been a while, and I just want to share this time with you guys, and we make it into the new year that we have really, it's going to be difficult, but you know what, we just have to do it, because what else do? You just keep going, right? You keep surviving, you keep changing, you go with the flow. So we all have to do that. Try not to get down, depressed, upset, and let this really affect your mental attitude. Okay? Enough of that. Have a good day. Bye. Till tomorrow.